What is going on, everybody? Back with a new video, and in today's video we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Apple iPhone Air, the iPhone Crossbody Strap, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so stick around. Welcome back and happy iPhone Day, and today we'll go ahead and start off first with the iPhone Crossbody Strap. This new crossbody strap is available in 10 different colors: neon yellow, light blue, blue, purple, sienna, orange, tan, green, and the color that we have today, and that's black. And these do retail for $59.99. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging. Now, sliding open the packaging for the very first time and opening up the packaging, we are presented with the crossbody strap itself and a little bit of instructions on the left hand side on how to get up and running with it. So all you need to do is open up the 4 pieces holding down the crossbody strap. Once you open those pieces, you can take the strap itself out. Next, you'll have the 2 pieces, which is actually the 2 hooks that are going to hook onto the case. You're going to need to attach those separately. This crossbody strap is designed to attach to select Apple cases for a convenient and hands-free way to wear the iPhone. The strap has embedded flexible magnets with stainless steel sliding mechanisms that allow you to effortlessly adjust the length for the perfect fit while keeping both straps securely and neatly aligned. As you can see, at both ends of the strap we have a snap mechanism, so you can just unsnap it and attach the included hooks. The maximum strap length is 81.9 inches and the minimum strap length is 42.5 inches. I would attach it to my Apple case and show you, however I'm still waiting on my Apple case to arrive. Next up, we have the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. Now, I was debating getting the cosmic orange color, however I ended up going with this silver color as I think it will be a color I could get tired of, so I ended up going with silver to ensure that everything is good for the long run. Opening up the box for the very first time, we're presented with the iPhone 17 Pro Max again in silver. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side for now. Also included in the box is a little bit of paperwork as well as a USB Type-C charging cable. And now to the 17 Pro Max itself. My first impressions is that the silver looks extremely impressive, and I have to say that I definitely think it looks very elegant. Upon removing that front screen protection, we can see the screen as clean as it'll ever be. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max is made out of an aluminum unibody design with a ceramic shield to front and a ceramic shield on the back. The device is available in silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. In terms of capacity, you can get 256, 512, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabytes of storage. The 17 Pro Max is 6.43 inches tall and weighs 233 grams. We also get a 6.9-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2868 by 1320 for a total PPI of 460. Next up, we have the Apple iPhone Air in cloud white. The all-new iPhone Air is available in space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. In terms of the unboxing, I have to say the packaging is giving me really good iPad-style vibes, as this was exactly how the older iPad generation boxes look. We get an all-new titanium design with a ceramic shield to front and a ceramic shield back. Lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with the iPhone Air. Go ahead and place it off to the side, and it literally looked like I was just placing a piece of paper over there. We also get a USB Type-C charging cable. After removing the protective packaging from the front display, I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with this iPhone Air. It feels very, very thin. It's hard to express how thin it is, as our iPhones are already thin, but imagine an iPhone half as thin as the one you currently have in your pocket. This thing feels amazing in the hands, guys. There's something about knowing that it feels paper thin yet so powerful. iPhone Air is 6.15 inches tall, 2.94 inches wide, and a shocking 0.22 inches thin. Here it is next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and by no means is the 17 Pro Max thick. This year's iPhone lineup presents a very tough choice. Should you go with the iPhone Air or should you go with the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let me know down in the comment section below which one you would choose and why. I have a ton of case videos coming up for the iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max from OtterBox, TAC, Spigen, ESR, and many, many more. So if you're interested in that type of content and you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.